This is VLC. It is my favorite video player. It works under Windows and under Linux. It just has some little quirk. It refuses to start as root. Let's fix this. Okay, but before we can fix anything, we need to know what's going on. So here I am logged in as root, and when I start VLC, it says VLC is not supposed to be run as root. Sorry. Okay, and when I look behind the scenes, for example, using the program strace, then we will find out what's going on here. And you see here's already the error message. It writes VLC is not supposed to be run as root. Yeah. And before it does a syscall to the command get EUID. So that is what we have to look for in our binary. Okay. So which binary are we talking about? VLC is stored under user bin VLC. And when we do an object dump -d, so we disassemble user bin VLC, and then we search for get EUID, so get effective user ID. And here we will find it. And here we have it, get effective user ID. Object dump gives us here a comfortable view of what's going on in assembler, here on the right side. On the left side, you see the same in machine language. So here you see the bytes, there you see the meaning. It calls get EUID. Get EUID will put something into register EAX. This will be tested, and in case it is 0, it will the system will jump here. So what we have to do here is we replace 0f84 by 0f85. Then this means no longer jump if equal, but jump if not equal. That means it will not jump there if the user ID is 0. Okay, and let's do exactly this. In the last video, we have learned how to easily modify a program using a hex editor. And this is what I will do now. I'm exiting the root shell so that I can call graphical programs. I call Octeta, which is a hex editor. I call it on user bin VLC. Then it comes to my mind that I should rather not do it, because first we have to change the privilege triple of a user bin VLC, so that even I, as a user, I am allowed to write to this file. So this is what I'm doing now. I have a look at user bin VLC using a hex editor, and there it is. And now let's search for something. Let's search for hex. And how did it go? It was 0f84240100. And this should be quite unique. Let's do a find again. However, continue from the beginning. It's always the same. Okay, so here we see 0f8425, and we replace 84 by 85, because that will mean jump if not equal. What we had before was a jump if equal. So we close it and we save it. And now I sudo su minus, and I call VLC again. And the error message does not occur, which is we have fixed the program. So we have seen that VLC refused to start as root because of one tiny check, and by flipping just one byte in the binary, we were able to circumvent this step. Now, please don't go and willy-nilly change some bytes in your operating system, because that may lead to unpredictable behavior. However, if you like this kind of experiments, then come to my channel, where we shrink Hello World programs to the smallest possible size, and where we have a look at the most useless Linux command that explains you everything. I would be happy to welcome you there.